5 seconds to go. Sir, it is for the first time that this concept of a national integrated tribal development block has been introduced in the sixth 5 year plan. It is known to this House and to everybody that the tribal people who live in the most underdeveloped and backward pockets of our country have been exploited for centuries. They have been exploited by the money lenders. They were exploited by the foreigners who came to this country, and so they remained backward. We brought the concept of tribal development blocks. More than 500 tribal development blocks were there. Central assistance was given to the states so that they could develop, but unfortunately, the exploitation has remained there. The states, instead of spending some money from their own state plans, spent only that money which was given by the center. So, seeing their plight, seeing that after 50 years of independence, they have not come up to the standard, and our Prime Minister was kind enough to pay a special attention to the development of tribals, and it is for the first time that this concept has been introduced. This concept has been that we must protect them from exploitation and we must raise their standard of living and their educational level. A conference of the state ministers and chief ministers responsible for tribal development was called, and certain hard decisions were taken there. The first decision we took was to change the excise policy. We said that vending of liquor through contractor should not be there in the tribal areas. I plead guilty that in spite of our calling the conference and advising the chief ministers, all the chief ministers have not done it, but in the majority of the states it is being done. In some states, in tribal areas, the new excise policy is in operation and vending of liquor through contractor has been stopped. Then there was the question of review of land laws and restoration of appropriated lands which were taken away from the tribals by hook or by crook by the money lenders and other exploiters. We brought some laws that these lands should be restored to the tribals. When the new economic program was launched after the earlier period, it was for the first time that action was taken on that, and most of the states have passed laws under which appropriated lands are being restored to the tribals. Sir, I also come from a forest area and I know how in many forest areas things are happening. It is the tribal who knows. Sir, I express my gratitude to the honorable members for the keen interest they had taken in the whole matter and for the many valuable suggestions that they have made. Unfortunately, in the limited time at my disposal, I will not be able to refer to every point which has been raised by the honorable members, but I can assure the House through you that all the suggestions which have been made will be given full consideration by the government. I would like to take up some common points which have been stressed by a very large number of my honorable friends here.